back again. Trying to get these talking videos in. Ugh, sorry, stretching. Okay. Titanium white base. 1 part paint on my paint mix is 1 part paint, 2 parts Owatrol, bit of water for thinning as needed. Titanium white. This is, I just did a video. They'll probably be posted back to back, but this is a mix that I just made. It's a metallic pink. I don't know the brand. And with Rose Madder Reeves brand. This is the same mix with a drop of Mars Black added to it. Not sure if you guys can actually see that or not, but you'll see it better once it's out poured. Titanium white. We're going to do a blown flower sort of thing. Having fun experimenting with it. And so yes, I'm going to pop some air bubbles in this because I just, as always, just mix my paints. Okay, so let's just dive right in. I'm going to add some Mars Black to this as well. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to start like kind of in the middle. Okay. So again, guys, I'm going to put the giveaway video together the next day or two since I reached my milestone, which I'm super excited about. Let's go. Ooh, lots of air bubbles. We'll pop them before we play. Okay. Okay, and let's do a little bit more. So guys, I'm debating whether or not I should put maybe an Etsy or Shopify or something together to put some of my pieces up. If anybody would be interested in potentially buying anything, let me know and I'll do it. I'm kind of maybe leaning more towards the Shopify. I don't know how I feel about Etsy, but I'll look into it. If I just have so much going on right now that I haven't got around to it. And I guess I'm, you know, I don't know if it would just be a waste of time or not. So what we're going to do, and let me know what you guys, if that sounds like a good idea, what platform is probably a good one for to sell some of your art on. What do you guys use if you sell your art? I'm just gonna pop some air bubbles. If I can get my torch on. I'm probably gonna do that again after I pull this white over. Now I'm gonna get a stick, if I can find one. I thought I had one over there, but I don't. Let's get another key. Okay, so we're just gonna use the key. I'm not really trying to swipe, I'm just trying to push over the paint. So that's good. Just pull up some of these air bubbles. Bit of a shift, and I think I'm just gonna blow it that way. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I hope I don't mess this one up. I like that. I really like that. Okay. Oh, I like that. Oh, that one air bubble popped. Made a nice gray little spot. Let's get rid of that. Try to get some of this paint off because there's a bunch of paint on there. Okay, pull back a little, stretch out some of them cells. Okay, I could touch that up. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave that. Ooh, I love that. Okay, let me pop some bubbles, see if anything comes up, if we need to stretch a bit. Oh, I cannot wait to get my hands on a compressor for this style. Okay, I'm just gonna torch. Not too much, because I'm actually really liking these little lacing cell things that are popping up on their own. Oh, I love that. I think this one of these flowers would be a good live stream. If you guys would like to see that, let me know on a live stream. Maybe we could do a couple. Or even, yeah, comment if what you would like to see me do, or we can even do it together. We should plan where maybe if there's a few people that want to pour at the same time or whatnot, or if you just want to watch, let me know if there's a certain pour that technique that you would like to see me do on a live stream. This is really pretty, and I'm going to leave it. I don't think it needs to be touched. I don't think it needs to be torched. I love the little shadow thing. The paint's kind of going under the white base. I think that's really nice. The colors are great. I'm happy with it. I will bring you guys in for a close-up, and then that is definitely me for today. I have to do laundry, clean, and work, so, and entertain my little rugrats. Okay, close-up. Okay, I do wish that maybe there's a bit more going on in the center there, although I think it kind of separates the petals and keeps it looking more like a flower. So look at all that lacing. And then that little shadow kind of, it's very pretty, guys. It's really pretty. I think, as far as colors go, I think less is best with this type of technique, in my opinion. For me, anyway. All right, that's me, guys. Let me know what you think, if you like it, if I should keep experimenting with this technique. You guys seem to be liking it, so I'm trying to get more videos up of it. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the thumbs up if you like. Please comment. Helps me out. And keep your ears open for the giveaway details coming the next day or two. Okay, guys, I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.